the scorching sands of Marwar, the golden sunlight, and centuries-old traditions is born Dikri, a force nurtured in the lap of nature, strengthening society through her skill, hard work, and identity. In Western India, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, daughters are lovingly called Dikri. But in the villages of Marwar, Barmer, Jaisalmer, and the Thar Desert, this word has become a symbol not just of affection, but of self-reliance and dignity. Through self-help groups, SHGs, women from these villages are transforming the natural gifts of the desert into a new identity with their skills. To support and empower these SHGs, Gehri Foundation works not only at a social level but also makes a significant contribution to environmental conservation. As part of this mission, more than 1 lakh khejri saplings have been planted and distributed free of cost to villagers and SHG women, so that nature is preserved and women gain new livelihood opportunities from nature itself. The desert's most unique treasures are khejri, kumat, and other desert trees, on which grow sangri, kair, and kumtia. These grow only in western Rajasthan, making their taste and aroma truly unmatched anywhere in the world. SHG women, despite intense heat and harsh conditions, climb trees to harvest fresh sangri, kair, and kumat. Following age-old traditional methods, these are boiled over wood fires, sun-dried for several days, and finally sorted based on quality. This process is not merely work, it is the wisdom of generations and the true essence of Rajasthan's heritage. Honoring this authenticity and effort, Sangri has been awarded a GI tag by the Government of India. Dikri brings these naturally sourced, hard-earned treasures to today's generation. Pure desert ingredients are presented in clean, convenient, and modern forms suited to contemporary lifestyles. Dikri's iconic Panchkuta, made with sangri, kair, and kumat, along with dried red chilies and dried mango powder, represents the soul of the Rajasthani thali. Preserving this heritage, Dikri is also introducing innovative products such as Steam Kuta, a modern balance of health and taste, crunchy puffs, developed to suit the preferences of the younger generation, and upcoming new experiments like Sangri tea, Sangri biscuits, and several natural flavors carrying the earthy aroma of the Thar Desert, soon to be introduced to the world. Dikri's purpose is not just to create products, but to take the hard work of the desert, its culture, and its natural treasures to a global platform. Through pure, natural, and chemical-free products, Dikri connects Rajasthan's traditions with the modern world, creating more opportunities and sustainable income for these women. Ultimately, Dikri, Marwar Ro Swad is not just a brand, but a confluence of desert nature, women's labor, Rajasthani culture, and hopes for the future. It is a story where a daughter, Dikri, by staying connected to her roots and skills, not only transforms her own life but also paves a new path for society. Dikri is the true taste of Marwar, carrying centuries-old traditions into the modern world with a renewed identity.